Big Tech's AI profits loom over S&P 500, the ability of the largest tech companies to turn their investments in artificial intelligence into even greater profits will determine the fate of the S&P 500. About 3/4 of index's rise this year has come from 7 companies. Microsoft and Nvidia have led that charge. The surge was fueled by investors' fixation with AI's ability to upend large portions of the economy. The shares of the firms trade at a premium of around 32 times the earnings, indicating excessive valuations. Companies are under increasing pressure to meet some of the profits expectations reflected in their steadily growing stock prices. The businesses reported record earnings of $99 billion in the latest quarter. More is now expected of them. That indicated how high the stakes have become for the stocks that have increased the market's value by about $5 trillion this year. They have greater influence on the benchmark than ever, accounting around 30% of the S&P 500. The main driver of the group's profit increase this year has been Nvidia. The demand for AI has resulted in a notable increase in results for Nvidia. The chipmaker is expected to produce a profit of over $28 billion this year. That is up from roughly $4.4 billion the previous year. Not everyone in the group has yet demonstrated significant AI improvements. Well, thanks to its $13 billion investment in ChatGPT, owner OpenAI, Microsoft is possibly the second greatest business in AI. But the firm made a little less money than June than it did in the previous quarter. Analysts predict that earnings will rise by 17%. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, Apple and Amazon.com are part of the biggest 7. Gains in the future for these behemoths and the S&P 500 overall will depend, at least in part, on the macro environment.